the second part of the video, I already changed the location according to the information that client gave to us. You can find the information from two places or whatever place you want. The first place is from his Facebook page if it has different Facebook pages for different location. Second, normally the client will fill out his next Facebook marketing plan. Okay, so this client actually gave us a Facebook marketing plan. We can click inside directly. He gave us a Google link. It's perfect, so we can do that. And all I did is just copy and paste this thing, and also the phone number here. And you may asking how can I install the code, because if you see the preview of this page, you will see actually I insert the map, Google Map inside. It's perfect. And what we need to do is click the share. This is actually share, and then click the second tab, which is the embed actually, and then copy it, and then open it, paste it here. And when we first paste it here, we need to make sure we change that to the height to 300, because we have 4 locations here. If it's above 300, that's just too wild. Okay. And why I control only the height, not the width? Basically, that's because the clients if we look at the just make sure that it don't, especially in the mobile version, we need to make sure that the clients can practically see all 4 locations, or at least 2 of them at one page. When he scroll, it can go to one page. So let's practically it and save it, and everything make the same. And practically that's it. And then second thing, we need to change the title of this page to Donate the Challenge, and then change the author to the client's thing, and we'll save it. After that, we go to the thank you page. And sorry, I forgot one thing, because this video is a second time. First one, I don't know why it's not working. Here I did something else. Is directly after the first video, you know that I made some changes to match the client's program. And the second is, I mentioned that the client has 4 locations. We need to make sure that we can collect 4 locations leads separately and send to each location's location manager, right? So they can take care of their own leads without mixing up with any other location thing. And so we add one more thing here, which is another, which is the subtitle, and I add an icon, and I'll show you. The icon is here. Icon picker. You can search the location. It will show up. Okay, and this one is a drop down. So it's actually a drop down. When you click the new element and go to the select box, it will be like that. And then when we edit it, it will be just make sure to choose custom options, and then the custom type name is locations. And then the first, we need to make sure, because some people will not looking, so it will show the first one show up, and then it just click sign up, but actually they're not from that location. So we make sure the first one shows choose from a location, choose from below. And if the client has this lead goes to choose from below, he knows that this lead is not pay attention to this question, and then he may need to call him and ask, so where's your closest location, so you can go to the to our location, right? Then add 4 different locations to, and then copy and paste the value thing, and make it required. And this is a page sign up, and also we have a pop-up, so we edit the pop-up accordingly as well. Same thing exactly, just add the 2 elements and save. Okay, And then after that, we need to check the mobile version, and we'll make sure the mobile looks really good and it's not too, too much, too bad. Don't look, some words are not showing too big. So actually, Clickfunnels has you see in the mobile, in the desktop, the 28-day challenge is big words, right? But why in the mobile it's showing like a smaller one? It cannot change by itself. It's because of my edition. It's my selections. Here they have mobile size. So this one actually controls the mobile size of the words, and then this one controls the desktop of the words, right? So we make sure that this mobile version is actually 24. Oh really? It's 24? Okay. Okay, so I think Clickfunnels is updating their thing, so to make it more user friendly. That's better. The body consultant 28 the challenge transfer blah blah blah. So that's basically what we really need to do. Just show one. Okay, that's perfect. Basically, that's the landing page. What we really need to do. And the thank you page. Tricky part. And the thank you page, I already actually edited it because this is the second time I record this video. And here we do that follow-ups and see this link. This link we actually need to redirect them to the client's Facebook page, and then don't use the Facebook page from here, the link from here. You know what? Because when you visit this Facebook page, you notice that you're on their Sips Ninja's account. So you're actually at the backstage of this thing. You can change the thing. We need to do something to the URL, so it's actually changed that to a URL. Everyone can visit to this basically font part URL. That's here, this one. So now I'm visiting as my profile, and that's the one that we want to use. So copy it, paste it here, save. Easy, right? And change this image. Basically, that's it. And the mobile version already changed. Perfect. Go here. If you really want to change, see, this is not. Just don't look obvious. So and especially client's logo is the red, so we change that to red. Okay. And if you want to change the background image, the background image, it's in the background image. Okay, but currently I'm not gonna do that. I will not waste my time on it. Or maybe we can change something. I lost 29 kgs and 28 challenge. Oh, that's good. Well, if we really need to use this image, we need to edit that, but I'm not currently not wasting my time on it. We need to focusing on the other things first. Let's see. Really has anything that we can use. Okay, go back to the original one that we used in the pages, as always, the landing page as always, because I cannot make changes back. And if we want to show that better, that's how we change it, transparent. Okay, populate the pages and all down. And next thing, before I go to the ads, or before I go to the next one, before I go to the ads, we need to fix the thing. That's why we set up the extra question for locations. The extra thing is called Zapier. So here, first, we need to change the URL, thank you page, right? Today the challenge. Today the challenge, thank you page, and also change this one. Today the challenge female. Okay. And let's go to Zapier for our next video.